Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to fix Windows 11 sound or audio problem. Now first method is click on the start icon and click settings. Now click on the first option system and on right side click troubleshooter. Now click other troubleshooter. Now click on the second option playing audio and give run. Now Windows start to detect your problem. Now try with these two options one by one and give next. Now second method is click on the search icon and type services. Now right click on services and give run as administrator. Now come at the end of the screen. Now click on the option Windows Audio and change the startup type from automatic to manual and give apply and OK. Now once the Windows Audio has been changed to manual, now just restart the services. Now third method is click on search icon and type device manager and give run as administrator. Now just click and expand sound, video and game controller. Now right click on high definition audio device and give update driver. Now click on search automatically for drivers and click on search for update drivers on Windows Update. Now fourth method is right click on high definition audio device and give update driver. Now click on the second option browse my computer for drivers. Now click second option let me pick up from the list of available drivers on my computer. Now just click on high definition audio device and give next. And now again click on high definition audio device and give uninstall device. Now last method is right click on start icon and go to settings. Now click on the first option system and on right side click on the option sound. Now click on more sound settings option. Now click on the playback and right click and select show disabled devices and select show disconnect devices and click on your speaker and give set as default. Now click on the properties and click on the third option enhancement. Now check disabled all enhancements and give apply and OK. Now click on the start icon and click restart. Now after trying these methods your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will very useful for you. If you really like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you all next video. Bye bye. Take care.